Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ganache for truffles. First, gather your ingredients: good quality chocolate and heavy cream. The key to perfect ganache is using the right ratio, typically 2 parts chocolate to 1 part cream for a firm truffle ganache. This ensures a rich, stable base for your delicious confections. Let's get started with the simple steps. To begin, gently heat your heavy cream in a saucepan over medium heat until small bubbles form around the edges, but do not boil it. While the cream heats, finely chop your chocolate into small, uniform pieces. This allows the hot cream to melt the chocolate evenly and quickly. Once the cream is ready, remove it from the heat and pour it directly over the chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. After pouring the hot cream, let the mixture sit for about 5 minutes without stirring. This allows the residual heat to melt the chocolate thoroughly. Then, starting from the center of the bowl, gently stir in small circles, gradually expanding outwards. Continue stirring until the mixture is completely smooth, glossy, and uniform. This careful emulsification creates a stable and luxurious ganache. Once your ganache is perfectly smooth, cover it and let it cool. You can leave it at room temperature for several hours or refrigerate it for about 1 to 2 hours until it's firm enough to handle. When it reaches the right consistency, use a small scoop or spoon to portion out the ganache, then roll it into your desired truffle shapes. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.